Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a ghost element to an Elementor widget using the Steroids for Elementor plugin and its Extra Option POOPART feature. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process. The first step is to install and activate the Steroids for Elementor plugin. This plugin provides an extensive set of tools, options, and settings that expand the functionality of Elementor without creating new widgets. After activation, make sure the POOPART extension option is enabled in the plugin settings. Let's add 2 extra elements to this banner image. First, go to the Image Advanced Settings, where you will find the POOPART extension option. Follow my steps. Within the widget settings, you can select the element type, adjust the size and position, and configure other relevant settings. It is incredibly easy to use. Now, let's add 2 additional images to this van image. Depending on the specific options provided by the POOPART extension, you'll have various settings available to customize the ghost element. Adjust the settings according to your desired outcome, such as opacity, layer position or size, or visibility. You can add clip path to your layer. Enter the full clip path property. See the copy-paste examples at Clippy. Save the settings after making changes and review the final preview. Let's try this technique on other sections of the website. This time, I will add gradient layers. Congratulations! We added ghost elements to another widget using this useful extension. Let's continue our exploration and learn how to add layers to a text widget, and try some filters to overlay image. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Don't forget to share it with your friends as well.